Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to another day of workout with me. Today we're working on our upper body and we're basically going to be targeting our shoulders, our biceps and our upper back. I don't think that I have a lot of upper body videos on my channel currently, and that's just not because I don't do upper body. That's not because I don't like upper body days. In fact, I think I might prefer upper body days to leg days, which is so weird. But I just don't get to film on the days that I'm doing upper body days. Of course, as you can tell, I'm filming this from my living room, and this is also part of my continuing series on the fact that you don't need to go to the gym to, achieve some certain level of fitness. You can achieve it from your home. Once you have a dumbbell and a yoga mat, you're good to go. As I always say in my videos, feel free to alternate the weight or to change the weight to whichever weight you feel is more comfortable for you. Certain exercises you might be able to go up with a higher weight, and for other certain exercises you might just be comfortable doing a lower weight or a lower dumbbell, so to speak. And I hope you guys enjoy this workout and I hope it gets you sweating.